Bhopal is all ready to host a two-day investor summit, and here all the preparations are done. Right now I'm inside that dome where Prime Minister Narendra Modi will inaugurate this Global Investor Summit. This is a huge stage. It has been made in a 3D format in which there will be no stage on the stage. There will be no guest, but a Prime Minister will be there. He'll be giving a speech. He'll be inaugurating the session, and this is the area. This is the dome where around 3,000 people, 3,000 investors, all the people who are special guests inside this dome will be coming. And as you can see, this is all the police personnel deployed here. Also, if we talk about, you can see seating arrangements have been done. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav is here. He is inspecting this place. You can see. Also, as you see the stage and specifically the logo here, you can see it has been made into a 3D format, and around 1,500 police personnel have been deployed here. 3-layer security will be there for the Prime Minister. Around 35 IPS are involved in this security arrangements here, and also CM is constantly inspecting. Now the people who will be sitting in this area, this is the area where the special guest will be sitting. No cameras, no mobile phones, and no other things will be allowed in, particularly inside this dome where Prime Minister will be inaugurating this session. No mobile cameras, no mobile phones will be allowed here, and only the people who have registered them as the investors, which are of the big company, will be here. Also, the main guest will be the Adanis, the Ambanis, and also the people from their company, and they will be they are expecting to invest huge amount in Madhya Pradesh. Also, as you can see, like this is the stage. On the stage, you can see in the screens, the culture of Madhya Pradesh will be reflected through this stage, which will be shown to the people of Mandu, Maheshwar, Khajuraho. Also, the walls of the Bhopal. The Bhopal is decorated very beautifully here. The walls of Bhopal are like now representing the tribal culture of Madhya Pradesh specifically, and they will be representing all the beautiful cultures which are involved in Madhya Pradesh. Now, as you can see, not only the policemen from Bhopal only, but from also the other districts are involved here for the traffic management, because on 24th and 25th will be the main program. On 23rd evening, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be reaching Bhopal. First, he'll be going to the Bageshwar Dham to Chhatarpur for the cancer hospital thing. After that, he'll be reaching to Bhopal on 23rd evening. In Kushabao Thakre Hall, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be meeting the MPs and the MLAs and the office bearers of the Bharatiya Janata Party. After that, he'll be resting at night in the Raj Bhavan. Next day, 24th in the morning, Prime Minister will be here in this dome. He'll be inaugurating the Global Investor Summit in between all the big people, big businessmen of India. After that, on 25th, the Union Home Minister Amit Shah will be present on 25th of February in the Global Investor Summit, which will be ending of the Global Investor Summit. This is the main dome. Apart from this, around 10 to 15 domes are made where there will be sectorial summits, where there will be sectorial talks between the Chief Minister, between the investors, between all the people who will be coming in the Global Investor Summit. Between the 3-layer security, also heavy security, Prime Minister will be around 24 hours in Madhya Pradesh, and he will be here meeting the party bearers. He will be meeting the investors. A special place for the PM has been made. It is made in a very natural way, where it represents the Sachi Stoop. It is made in the natural format, so can PM rest and can meet all the big investors there. So Bhopal is all set. Bhopal is decorated very beautifully. The government is set. The IAS and the IPS and all the administration people are constantly day and night working for particularly this investor summit, which will be held on 25th and 24th February in Bhopal with Chief Minister Mohan Yadav and all the big shots of all over the India. With camera person Prateek from Bhopal, Amritanshi Joshi for India Today.